Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube download settings from Wi-Fi to mobile data so you can download videos even when you are not connected to Wi-Fi. So let's dive right in. First, open up the YouTube app on your phone. And once you are on YouTube, simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And now tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Okay, so once you are in the settings menu, you have to simply tap on downloads. Now you will see an option called download over Wi-Fi only. If this is turned on, you can only download videos when connected to Wi-Fi. To allow downloads over mobile data, simply toggle the switch off. And that's it. You have successfully changed your YouTube download settings to use mobile data. Now you can download videos on the go without needing Wi-Fi. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.